Hey mga ka-Miranda! Welcome back to the Coach Miranda Minor channel, and today we're gonna be doing a deep dive into the exciting world of blockchain technology. Explore natin ang XDC network, a game changer in the blockchain space. Live in 2019, the XDC mainnet is bringing security, scalability, and efficiency to the whole new level. So the XDC network is not your ordinary blockchain. It's actually an enterprise-grade, EVM-compatible Layer 1 network. To give you a sneak peek, here are some of the security incredible features. Number 1, highly optimized bespoke fork of Ethereum. Number 2, lightning fast 2-second transaction times. Number 3, near zero gas fees at just 0.00042 per transaction and a high number of transactions per second even before sharding. Pero what makes XDC network truly special supports a wide range of diverse ecosystem of participants. Miranda, so let's talk about security. Ang XDC 2.0 ay nagbibigay ng Byzantine fault tolerance or BFT, making it an incredible secure infrastructure. And it's not just for tech enthusiasts, it's also for game changer for trade finance focused apps, offering a railway for scalable access to trade finance. Ang XDC network is a robust ecosystem with diverse and reputable users and participants, including World Economic Forum member TradeTech, a highly regarded industry player such as Securitize, plus a network of developer-friendly with all the tools and resources you need. In fact, ang network performance is exceptionally reliable with almost 900,000 total accounts, 300 nodes, 14,000 smart contracts, and a market cap of $2 billion at its all-time high. Umabot din ang market cap ng XDC to a remarkable $48 million USDT in a daily volume on its all-time high, and it's also over $2 billion staked dollars on a network highlight. Ngayon, it gets even more exciting. Si Professor Pramod Biswanath from Princeton and Fisher Yu of Dolby Labs ay nag-develop ng groundbreaking forensic monitoring and accountability system within the XDC network. Pero it doesn't stop there ha. On June 2022, a group of XDC community members naman came together to foster a decentralized decision-making and documentation process designed to drive core developer engagement. So, ang XDC network participants have fostered community-driven documentation, developer portals, and the creation of the XDC Improvement Proposal or XIP process. This process can help decentralize contributions to the core XDPOS protocol by defining how anyone can propose changes to that code base. It's actually an all open source and uses the Git toolchain including GitHub, Gitbooks, and Gitcoin to promote developer engagements and reward community members for their contributions. Pero alam mo ba, hindi pa natatapos doon yung Miranda, no? The XDC network isn't just about technology. It's about real-world solutions deployed by the diverse network of participants. Yung success nila doesn't just depend on network technology but also on the network of participants. Itong XDC network has enabled the tokenization of trade finance instruments and commodities such as gold. These tokens, designed to provide scalable access to real-world assets, have been developed and deployed by capital markets and blockchain technology experts. Using the XDC network, a paper bill of lading was converted to an electronic bill of lading on a global document standard platform. Pero don't just take my word for it. According to Dan Donnie, the CEO of Securency and the XDC network are pushing the boundaries of innovation. Richard Crook, COO of RBC Group, highlights how XDC lays the groundwork to connect Corda to ERC20 and other cryptocurrency networks, solving an age-old challenge of interoperability. And now yung NFT naman, Miranda, I'm sure you'll love this, no? The XDC smart contract capability make it a perfect platform for everything from tokenizing, art, or digital signatures, proving uniqueness and authenticity. It's a game changer talaga for a wide range of use cases. And of course, exciting news. Recently, si TradeTech, a marketplace for private credit card and real-world asset provider of securitization as a service or SAS, launched USTY, a security token that tracks a multi-billion-dollar US Treasury ETF. USTY is actually available through its digital asset leader, Securitize, on the XDC network. Securitize President and co-founder Jamie Finn said, Securitize is also proud to announce our support for the XDC network blockchain, which joins Avalanche and Polygon as the blockchain of choice for the digitization of new and traditional financial products. At napakarami rin nilang mga ecosystem participants tulad ng Lab 577, BCB Group, Vinter, Fireblocks, etc. In conclusion, Miranda, XDC network is transforming the blockchain landscape with its speed, security, and innovative use cases. If you've enjoyed this video and learned something new, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe for more exciting updates. Maraming salamat, Miranda, for joining me today, and I cannot wait to see you on the next video. Remember, stay curious and keep learning. See you next time, and I love you 3000.